Have you ever experienced slow internet, random Wi-Fi disconnects? Most people restart their router and hope for the best. But what if I told you Windows already includes professional network diagnostic tools that can help you identify what's actually causing the problem? In today's video, I'll show you 5 hidden command prompt commands that IT professionals use to diagnose network issues, inspect your Wi-Fi adapter, check your firewall, and generate detailed reports, all without installing any third-party software. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key and type Command Prompt. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Most of these commands only read information, but opening Command Prompt as Administrator ensures you have the permissions needed for tracing and diagnostics. Command number 1, generate a complete Wi-Fi report. Type netsh wlan show LAN report. Then press Enter. Windows creates an HTML report, typically saved at this path. You can press Windows R to launch the Run box, then you copy and paste the path and hit Enter. The report automatically opens your web browser. Here's what you'll find: a timeline of every Wi-Fi connection and disconnection, signal quality history, connection failures, driver information, and many more. If your Wi-Fi randomly disconnects, this report can help you see when it happened and what Windows recorded at that time. Instead of guessing, you have a timeline you can use to identify patterns or share with IT support. Command number 2, record network activity. Now let's capture a network trace. Type netsh trace start scenario equals InternetClient and press Enter. Windows begins recording network activity related to InternetClient applications. While the trace is running, reproduce the problem you're trying to diagnose, browse the web, join a video call, start an online game, connect to your VPN and run a speed test. Once you've reproduced the issue, return to Command Prompt and type netsh wlan stop. Windows will stop recording and save the trace to an ETL file. This trace records events such as DNS lookups, TCP connection attempts, authentication, and network errors. If you're working with an IT administrator or Microsoft support, this file can help them understand what happened during the problem. Command number 3, check your Wi-Fi adapter capabilities next. Type netsh wlan show drivers and press Enter. This command tells reveal your Wi-Fi adapter model, driver version, supported wireless standards such as Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6, or Wi-Fi 6E, depending on your hardware. Security capabilities like WPA2 or WPA3 support. If you're troubleshooting compatibility with a new router or checking whether your hardware supports newer Wi-Fi standards, this command provides the answer without opening Device Manager. Command number 4, view TCP Network Settings. Now type netsh and TCP show global and press Enter. You'll see several TCP features, including Receive Window Auto-Tuning, Receive Side Scaling, RSS, Explicit Congestion Notification, ECN. Command number 5, check Windows Firewall Profiles. Finally, type netsh advfirewall show all profiles. Press Enter. This command displays the status of the Windows Defender firewall for each network profile, domain, private, and public. You'll also see the default inbound and outbound policies. If an application can't connect to the network, verifying that the firewall is enabled and understanding which profile is active can be an important troubleshooting step. Today you learned how to use 5 built-in Windows networking commands to better understand and troubleshoot your PC. Generate a detailed Wi-Fi report. Record a network trace and many more. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments which hidden Windows command you'd like to learn about next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.